Uh, Welcome all. I'll just go live in another 10 seconds. Hi, welcome all. Welcome Srikanth. Welcome Abhijit. Welcome Arindum. Welcome Ramkumar. Welcome Pachana. Please put in your questions. For the first 10 minutes, I'll take questions. Welcome Sugan Muthu. Welcome. The fonts are very small. It's difficult to read. If you have questions, please put in your questions. To be able to answer. For the first 10 minutes, I'll take questions. How was yesterday's exercise? You could be able to complete it. Type yes if you have done it. And I think 7 or 8 people have done. Even non-tech. Business people could be able to do it. Yeah, good morning. Good evening. Sorry.
Good evening. Good evening. I couldn't do yesterday's exercise. I plan to do it tomorrow. I just took
That's fine. Even if you couldn't complete yesterday's exercise, you can do today. Okay, only one first day exercise is important.
First day I've done it, yeah.
Then you can do it today also.
First day I've done.
You join from 2 devices. Join from only one device. That's the problem. And any questions? I couldn't find Google search when I type my domain name. Find in that takes 1 year. You don't have that. Okay, it depends on how famous your domain name is. For example, I registered jagankrish.com and it became famous in 3 months. Now it shows up in 3 months. I'm getting 30 people from Google. So that type of results is something that happens only your website becomes famous and your service becomes famous. Else it will take time.
When I type in desktop, I can find, but
you mean your website is not opening, correct?
Yeah, yes. But it's opening in desktop, but not on mobile.
Please send your domain name.
Yeah. Through chat, can you send?
Yeah, in the chat. Till then, anyone have any questions? Put it in the comment box. Yeah, suganmuthu.com. It's a really good name. It's working.
Yeah, here I can get, but when I use through mobile, when I type in mobile search,
yeah, you did everything properly.
Yeah.
It will work. It will start to work. Maybe your mobile has some problem. Try in a different mobile.
Oh, is it?
Okay, no problem.
Can you try in your mobile, please, if you have any?
No. Everything is working here. Okay. It will work. Don't worry. If you follow the everything AWS GoDaddy, it will just work seamlessly in the entire world. Don't worry.
Fine. Thank you.
And what instance you choose? $3.5 or $5?
$5. It's working fine. All right. Thank you.
Any question? $5. $5 is really good.
$5.
Okay, definitely it will work. The $3.5 basic one is just for testing purposes. I don't recommend that one. There is some echo in my side. Can anyone confirm? Maybe I'll see. Yeah, it's perfect. You join from 2 devices. Maybe that's why you get an echo. Please join from only one device.
Yeah, Jagan, I had a question.
Yes, madam, please.
What was that? You said copy and paste it in that notepad, and what we have to change over there. Like, what was that? I didn't do that.
No, that is optional. I said 2.4.3 is optional.
No, what is
And
that? What is the purpose of that?
what is the purpose of that? Some people could not able to upload the spec file. In some, see, today's exercise, you can do only if you could able to upload the spec file in the theme settings. Some people could not able to do that because of that instance, some technical issue. For fixing that, I have that 2.4.3.
Okay.
Not for all, okay? Only 1% of the people getting that problem, I will remove it, okay?
Okay.
It's because of they do something wrong in the second day, they get that issue. So we have to fix it differently. For others, it's not there. That's why I said it is optional.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll start at 7:32. Today is very important for business people. So you are going to learn how to write a compelling offer and then edit it in the website, in the here. You will learn to edit it here. Actually, this is an outcome. This is an offer. This is an outcome, and this is a video. We'll learn this today. Offer and outcome is for tomorrow. Children, any questions? Any questions? Put it in the chat box. I'll answer. I'm in training industry. I'll be able to upload my learning videos on selling courses. Yes, you can create any number of sections here. Tomorrow you will learn how to add sections, remove sections. Okay, put any number of sections here. But what is there in the head section? It has to follow some format. That is what I'll teach today and tomorrow. And you are free to create any number of sections below. Okay, but I don't recommend more than 10. 10 is too much. Okay, keep it to 10.
Okay.
And the less sections you have, the more the results are, the better the result.
That's fine, because I may sell my courses online. So
Okay.
uploading 10 videos or 10 videos or 12 videos, will that be
So
possible?
for uploading courses, we have separate systems, okay? Like my system you see, right? Day 1, day 2, day 3 you are seeing, right?
Yeah.
You can create some, you can buy some services. This one we are creating to get leads, how to contact them. The motive of doing this is different.
Okay. So can you help me in that also later on, if possible?
Yeah, future maybe so there are tools available. It's called Nourish. Okay. I use Vimeo. I don't trust the other providers. Okay. I use this service provider. I don't use YouTube because they'll put ads inside the video. This I'm using YouTube only in the preliminary. Okay. Here, day 1 to day 5. I will not use YouTube anywhere because they'll show ads. So I use Vimeo. In my website, you will not see one video from YouTube. For that one reason, they put ads. So I use Vimeo, and there are other service providers called Nourish, Graphy, and they are really costly. But if you could afford it, just you can use them. Welcome, there are a lot of people to join number of platform. And if you go to your course success link, now day 3 is on. We are going to do day 3. So day 3 will be technically very easy. I will not say very easy. Business people find some difficult, but you can get help from your colleagues. If you just share this videos day 3, everyone can help you. But what's very difficult is creating offers. That is what we are going to do today. And we'll wait some more time because today's first 15 minutes is very, very important. So we'll wait more time. So I'll take questions till 7:35. Okay, it's 7:30. For 5 more minutes because today we'll complete by 8:15. 8:15 will complete. We'll have more time at the end for one-to-one questions also. So we'll wait for 5 more minutes. 7:35 we will start. If you have any questions, put in. Human training industry, I'll upload now. Learning video. How to put budget in? No, it is covered in day 2. Okay, in day 2. Video 2.5.0 is where you learn how to set up budgeting, and that is not mandatory. It's always good to have. And you trusted LMF, and you are my responsibility. Tomorrow, if something happens in your account and you are billed $1,000, you will first call me. I don't want that to happen, and that's why there is a 2.5.0. Watch that video and set up the budgeting. Anyone still face problem in accessing the course access link? Today night I'll send it once again in WhatsApp. I will not send it in email because email delivery rate is very poor. It goes to the bulk folder. If it is in WhatsApp, you will definitely receive it. I know that you read it. Every single one of them already read it, and you still say that you don't have course access link. But again, I'll tell you. I'll send it today for everyone again. I'll send it in email also I'll definitely send it in email for all. Any questions? That we'll wait 3 more minutes because this starts. Getting leads or sales starts from creating a great offer. Once we create a good, compelling offer, everything else becomes easy. This is the first step, and the first 15 minutes is very important. And if people miss it, the entire course will go there. So that's why only today. I usually start exactly at 7:32, but today I am going to wait 3 more minutes. No. Both are not same. Two-factor authentication it's a standard, security standard. If any website is asking you a credit card details, at least in India, credit card details, and that website should have a two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is something that you get an OTP in your mobile phone. Only if you put the OTP, it will be allowing you to log into that account. For example, Amazon have it, Google have it. Every single one of them where you put the credit card in the payment system, directly credit card. See, I don't have a two-factor authentication because I use one more service called InstaMojo to collect payment, and they have that standard. For example, Google collects payments, Amazon collects payments, they will have this two-factor authentication. You need to use that. That is a security measure. What happens this? First, if someone is got your password, an attacker, a hacker, the first thing he'll try to steal is your credit card information. So he will go and get your credit card and try to use it somewhere else online. It's very easy. So that's why this two-factor authentication is there. If you use it, he will not be able to log in. 100%. But if you don't use it, only if your username and password, if it is easily guessable online, anyone can log in, and they will not be able to use your credit card, but they can use your services, AWS services, costing 1 lakh. But you will be able to pay. So that's why I request everyone to have a two-factor authentication on.
After completion of this course, all the links will be disabled. So then if suppose I want to create any other website, that time so many.
Yeah, you can have it. See, this link will work for until next Friday. But I will give the entire system free for lifetime. I will give it on the final day if you do some work.
Okay. The process how it will be done again. You will tell
everything. You will get it here. This one, LMF secure access. You are saying day 1, day 2, day 3. I will give you a lifetime access.
Okay.
But I will tell you on a final day if you come live. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
I will limit this for only next Friday because people will easily share the link. Okay, share the link and it will go into social media. That's why I have this limitation. And when you share the link, I pay real money to AWS. Okay, that's why this limitation is there. And I'm okay with sharing this knowledge to anyone.
It can be privatized, sir, in YouTube private share. You can do it for a security purpose.
Yeah, see,
Private.
you will get it in WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay, I'll ask people to leave. For example, Balaji, he helped others, right? That is something I'll give as a bonus on the final day. If you do a review somewhere, I will give it as a bonus. Okay, on the final day.
Correct.
Yes, I ask you to pay one more time. Okay, 999, I ask you to pay one. People pay. Okay, some people will not able to comfortable to go and leave a review, and people pay 999 and get it again. What's the time? Okay, 7:36. Okay, I'll start. Sorry for being 1 minute late. I'll keep you all on mute. Okay. So this is today's goal. We are going to complete this in 40 minutes. This is the technical part of it. We are going to change the content of we're going to change the content of the website. Okay, this is something we are going to learn how to change, how to edit the content of the WordPress template, and we are going to set up the lead management system. Okay, if you press here and give the contact number, you will get the contact number, but that will not work. Today we are going to learn how to set up the lead management system. Okay, this is the goal of today. So I'm going to start now. Please type yes. I can see what you are seeing, but I cannot hear what you hear. So if my voice is not audible, please let me know in the comment section. I could able to fix it. Okay. So now we know that we are going to change the content of the website. But what is the content that you need to change? We are going to write an offer. We are going to write an offer and we are going to learn how to change it in the website. Changing is easy, but creating an offer is somewhat tough. Okay. What is your offer to this world? Every single product, every single service in this world has an offer. What are you offering to the world from inside out? When you are writing an offer, have this in mind. It's going from inside to out. So there is a formula to write this offer, and I'm going to tell that formula. Can you see here? I help business owners, coaches, and consultants to get their business online using 5 days. This is the offer. What is the formula that I use to write this offer? I'm going to tell you. This is my offer. I help business owners, coaches, and consultants. These are the people who are here right now. There are business owners, there are coaches, and there are consultants. There is a reason why I write this. This is called target market. Okay. You logged in from 2 devices. That's why echo is there. Please log in from 1 device. Okay. I help business owners, coaches, and consultants to create one-page website and app. That is what we create to get 3 times the leads in 5 days in my live LMF workshop without expensive software like ClickFunnels or Swipeages. What is the formula this is following? I help people I serve. People I serve is business owners. It is the target market. The business owners, coaches, and consultants. What product service I have? LMF system, one-page website and app. This is the what product service I have. To get how I help them with. How I help them with in my live LMF workshop. Without what old product I replace? ClickFunnels, whole system, Swipeages. These are the old products I replace. Again, this is also not clear. I'll give an example. If you are a business person, this is how you write an offer. Okay. This is your offer. Okay. I help you to, this is an example. Okay. This is an offer. I help you to, you communicate like this. I help you to go from Chennai to Bangalore. I help you to do this with my service. Okay. something your product is doing, something your service is doing. Okay, this is an offer, and I'll improve it with this formula. Okay, with this formula, I'm going to improve this. Okay. Now, if that offer follow this formula, it will be like this. I help you to go from Chennai to Bangalore in my BMW in less than 3 hours. Okay. The moment you say BMW, it becomes clear. It becomes tangible. Correct? Type C if you agree. But this is what in technical terms, in marketing terms, we call it as vehicle. BMW, you know, BMW is vehicle. But do you know what is my vehicle? LMF. My vehicle is LMF. Okay. Do you know BMW? Do you know what is the full form of BMW? Anyone knows? If anyone knows, please type it. Because no one knows what BMW full form is, but everyone knows what BMW does for their life. Nobody cares what LMF is. Everybody cares what LMF does for their life. Do you agree? Type A. So it is very important to create a vehicle that is unique for you. And you don't believe me, I went to an event in Bangalore. Everybody addressed me as LMF. Everybody addressed me as, they don't remember my name. They remember my personal brand name, LMF. And I'll tell you here to this group, if someone gets his first client on the 5th day using my LMF system, he will not forget LMF in his life. So this is very important. You have to create a vehicle for yourself, else people will not believe online. People will not believe online. People, if you say Chennai to Bangalore, nobody will believe. Nobody will believe you are going to take from Chennai to Bangalore. Nobody will believe your product. Nobody will believe your service. But the moment you create something unique for yourself, like LMF, GCS, or BMW, Baravian Motor Works, that is a full form of BMW, but nobody cares. Everybody cares what BMW, everybody cares what BMW does for their life. That is what I'm saying. We have to create something unique for ourselves. That is the importance of having a vehicle. Okay, BMW. Now, I'll make it further tangible. I help you to go from Chennai to Bangalore in my BMW in less than 3 hours without relying on public transport. Without, I am replacing that public transport. Correct? So what is that old product that your product is replacing? I am replacing ClickFunnels and 5 pages. So the moment you say without, people will understand even easier. Okay. So this is the old product you replace. Actually, the Chennai to Bangalore takes actually 6 hours. I say 3 hours to make this offer appealing. Okay, you don't have to be 100% right here. This BMW doesn't have to exist in this real world. Okay, but still you can create it. The LMF doesn't have to exist in this real world, but still I created it because only then you believe I have something new. Only then people will come in. I am speaking about the open market, how the Facebook marketing works. Okay. Now this is the old product I replaced. Now here comes the target market. I help business owners to go from Chennai to Bangalore in my BMW in less than 3 hours without relying on public transport. This is the final market. Why I said business owners? Why I say business owners? BMW can take any person from age 0 to age 60. Why I say business owners? Because the more specific I go, the better the results are. If I want to change the target market, for example, I will say I'll target women. I will say I help pregnant women to go from Chennai to Bangalore in my BMW in less than 3 hours. The target market is different. Different people will take action. The motive of, if I ask some people here, whom is the target market? You will say, for example, for hospital, if you have a hospital, you say that I have people from age 20 to age 60. Okay. If you just address people like that, the marketing will not work. There is a reason why there is only business people here, the coaches here and consultants here. There is no freelancer here in this group, because I have written an offer like this. So the target market is very, very important. The more specific you go, the better the results are. Can you please type specific? This is where many people will make mistakes. Even though your product serves from age 20 to 60, you have to find out who is your ideal target customer, and you have to target that here. Please type specific. I help business owners. The reason why you have to make it more specific is only then it is find appealing to that people, and others will follow. You think if you target pregnant women, business owners will not come in. No. If you target pregnant women, others will follow, because your offer will be very, very clear. Everyone will understand. Now, I'll show the formula again. I help people I serve, business owners. What product service I have? BMW, LMF. To get how I help them with Chennai to Bangalore, one-page website and app. What is yours? Without what old product I replace? Public transport. Click funnel, swipe pages. What is yours? So do you find this simple? Can you write your offer? Type yes if you can write. Type yes if you find this simple. Type yes if you find this simple. Now I am going to tell you, this is the recording. You come back again and again until you get it, because we write this offer in a specific way, in a certain way, to make it more compelling to our target market. Okay, you watch this recording again and again, because this is not work of your employee, this is not a work of your agency, this is work of you as a business owner. Okay, no other person can write better offer for you, only you can do it. So there is a book called 100 Million Offers by Alex Homrosy. Okay, please go and buy it or get an Audible from Amazon. You will learn how to create a compelling offer. But this is a formula. If you just use this formula, you can create great compelling offers. Okay, and I am going to write 2 offers live today. I am going to write 2 offers live for you, for your industry, and I am going to change it in the website. Okay. So now the text stuff we have to know. I'll send it in the WhatsApp group. 100 Million Offers by Alex Homrosy. Okay. Now I am going to go to the technical stuff. It can be overwhelming, but again, I believe everyone can understand basic code. When I say code, everyone gets scared. Okay, code is nothing. Okay, it's written in plain English, but it follows a certain standard. That's all. Whatever we are going to the spec file, it follows a certain standard that will be in English. You can easily go and change in using your notepad. Okay, and I'm going to teach it. Okay. So I'm going to tell you, there is no tutorials elsewhere. Never. Okay, no YouTube tutorials for what I'm going to teach, because this is something that I created. And I'm the best person to teach, and other experienced person will teach it, but they have to go through everything, and it takes so much time for them. Okay, this is the recording you need to have. Okay, if you are going to use the LMF system, today's recording you need to have. Okay. So what is a spec file? Spec file is something that is responsible for everything in this page, in this website. The website title, this content, this color, this button color, what is coming in this button, this video, everything that is responsible, everything is there in the spec file. Okay. So why use online spec editor? I said that is a plain English file. You can just edit it. You can just edit it using a notepad. But when you edit it using a notepad, you don't know when you are doing something wrong. So that's why I recommend to use online spec editors. There are hundreds of them. I suggest the top 2. It will be there in the day 3, and I'm going to use the same today to change it. Okay, to edit the spec file. Always use online spec editors. Okay. Always have a backup copy of your spec file. For example, you will make changes to the spec file and keep a backup copy, because something, if you change it and the website is not working, you can always upload the yesterday's version or the backup version. The website will come back working again. Okay. So always have a backup copy of your spec file. I'll just give a quick intro of spec file. The business people will definitely find this overwhelming, but you have to understand, else you can get the tech team support for this. Okay. If you open the spec file in any notepad, anything, if you open the spec file, it will follow a certain standard, and this will be the standard. There will be a property name and there will be a property value. For example, the first property name will be site ready to index, and the value will be no. Why the value is no? Because your website content is not ready. Once your website content is 100% ready, you will go and change this to yes. Okay. And don't do it today, because your website has my content. If you do it today, everywhere Google will index that as my content will be indexed, and it will be very, very difficult to change it after Google indexes. Okay. Once your website content is 100% ready, you will go and change this to yes. Okay. Now, this property name is unchangeable. You cannot change this property name, because it is in Notepad. You can change anything, but you have to understand this property name, you cannot change it at all. What you will change? Only what is inside the property value. Okay. And if you just, this is one important rule. When you type content, there will be a double quote, single quote. Okay. The more important rule is no double quotes inside in the middle of value. If you just pay close attention, the property name starts with a double quote, ends with a double quote, and there will be a colon, and then starts with a value starts with a double quote and ends with a double quote. This is the standard. Okay. What happens if you put a double quote inside the middle of value? It will break. Okay. The website will break, and the online spec editors will instantly say you that you made a mistake and you can correct it. But if you use your local editors like Notepad, you will not know it. So have this understanding. No double quotes in the middle of value. Always use online spec editors to make changes. And I'm going to tell a quick introduction of the spec file. Okay. The site config is where we have this color. Okay. This background color. Okay. The title, it is coming here. It comes on the top of the browser. Colors, title, everything is coming from this section, site config. And the pop-up. If you see the pop-up, you see a pop-up here, right? Everything from this pop-up, the apps we are going to create tomorrow. Okay. That pop-up details will come from this section, site pop-up. And app details, the Android app, iOS app details, everything is there. The icon, everything will come from this section, app details. And now we will notice a pattern called section underscore. Section underscore head is this. Okay. Section underscore tutorials is this. Section underscore whom is this. You will find a pattern. Section underscore head, section underscore. Okay. If it starts with section underscore, then that is a section. And I have 10 sections here. You will find 10 sections there. And these are responsible for content in the website section. Okay. And now, you don't have to know this, but again, I'll tell you. You will see the breaks here. After this business, okay, it's not clear. Okay. After this viewer, there is a break. It comes in the next line. Break is something new line. If you put this is something we call as tag. So this is real HTML code. If you copy this and put it inside your content, a new line will come. Okay. And if you want to appear something, if you want to make something bold, okay, for example, one page website and app, it is in bold, correct? So I'll put one page website and app here and start with this strong and end with this tag. and it will come in bold. If you put that same content in here in the I tag, it will come in italics. If you put it inside the U tag, it will come in the underline. Similarly, there are thousands of tags. You can use any tag that you want, but these are the basics. Okay. Now, these are not the standard tags, but I created this for you. Okay, you see this coming in yellow. I put this inside the yellow tag. If you want something to come in green, you can put it in the green tag. Red tag. And if you want something to highlight something, for example, I highlighted something here. Correct? You see that I highlighted here. If you put this content inside this highlight tag, it will come in highlight. So this is more than enough for you to create this website. So today's exercise, we are going to write your offer and we are going to change the offer. What you cannot see, you are going to change the offer on the website and we are going to change the color of the website. Okay. You are going to change the color of the website and we are going to set up the lead management system. Okay. This is today's exercise. Yeah. And you know how the support works. At the end of the session, I'll take questions and then you can send messages on the WhatsApp. Okay. I'm going to share the screen and I'm going to do this live. So this is day 3. This is day 3. Day 3 recording will come here. Okay. 3.1 is 5 minutes. How to make changes to the spec file. Only 5 minutes. Okay. And these are the default spec editors. Okay. This is the default spec file. You can download the default spec file from here. Okay. This is the default spec file. I'll open it and show you. You can see the first property. Okay. Site ready to index. No. Okay. Site config. Site pop-up. Okay. Similarly, you can see section underscore head, section underscore foo. Okay. So this is the default spec file. And these are the spec editors. Okay. 1 and 2. Both are free. Okay. So this is the first spec editor and this is the second spec editor. And if you are using old computers, please use the second tool. Okay. This is not working good for the old computers. Okay. Now, okay, 3.5 is how to set up the lead management system. Okay, this is only 4 minutes. And today's exercise, and you are going to write some offer and you are going to edit in the section underscore head in 2 places, in title and subtitle. And then you are going to change the site primary color to something else. And then you are going to put a screenshot like this in the group. Okay, now I'm going to do it live. For that, I need to write an offer, right? I will write an offer. Please type your industry. I will write an offer for your industry. You will understand well. New document. Coaching is industry. Okay. I need this formula. I'll just open the formula. This is the formula. Okay. Okay. I help people I serve in the coaching industry which is the target market for your coaching industry. I will say as Graduate students. Okay. Job seekers. Okay. I help job seekers. Job seekers is not specific. Okay. Job seekers addresses people from age 20 to 60. Make it more specific. I will just say I help job seeking women. It becomes specific. Okay. I help job seeking women. How you help them with? To get a confirmed job 3 times faster using, see, I say 3 times faster. It sounds tangible for the human brain, but it is not tangible. What is 3 times faster? You are not over promising anything there. Okay. You are helping job seeking women to get a confirmed job 3 times faster using what is the technology that you have? Magic job search formula. MJS. Okay. The moment you say the magic job search formula, people believe that you have something new, something unique. Okay. Now people will start to believe you in the online world. See, this is something works only for the online world, not to the face-to-face. This is, see, I'll tell you, okay. Here in my website, the moment one person clicks the contact number and click this button, this job is complete. Everything that we do here is to get the people's contact number. Okay. We are not here writing this offer to cheat anyone. Okay. The trust is in the face. The LMF trust is in my face. Okay. Understand that. Now, I help job seeking women to get a confirmed job 3 times faster using the magic job search formula without spending too much time. Slow, please. Too much time on job site. Okay. This is something the product this replaces. MJS is a vehicle that is going to take your client from pain to pleasure. Okay. That MJS is going to take your client from Chennai to Bangalore. MJS is going to take your client from joblessness to job. Okay. So this is a great offer. Okay. Now I can see, this is an example. This is an example. I can write so much of examples in just 1 minute. But you as a business person, you have to spend at least 1 hour to write this offer. To write my offer, I get up at 5 a.m. in the morning. I'd sit for 30 minutes to write my offer. Okay, this is very, very important. No other agency, no other employee can write this for you. And I just followed this formula. So if you find this appealing, type yes. Job seeking woman. Is there any woman here? I can just change it to men. Okay. You have to be very, very clear on target market. Okay. So now I have this offer. Now I am going to edit it in the website. Okay. I am going to do it live. So you will go to lmfworkshop.live. WP admin, log into your website. Okay. Go to theme settings. You will find something called Open Leads Management. Okay. Click this. Okay. Click on download spec file. Okay. This is the default spec file. Okay. Some browsers cache it. Okay. You have to clear the cache and download it. Okay. I'll just copy this. You see the version is 1.2.0. I copy this. I'll go to the spec editor. I'll go to this spec editor. Okay, in my system, it will be slow because it is handling many computers, right? Many monitors simultaneously, and it's also streaming. Okay. So I pasted this. Okay. And here, this both are the same spec file. Here it is easy to edit. Okay, you just learn this, click this, and just learn this. Okay. Now I press this. I got this. You see section underscore head, everything. And I'm going to change this in the section underscore head in two places, in section title and section subtitle. I'm going to change it in the two places. So I'll copy the offer that I have written, copy, come to the spec editor. I paste this in two places, section title, in the section head, in the section title and section subtitle. And then here you will find something called download. Okay, save to disk. Click on save to disk. Okay, I'll type LMF 7. Save. It will download. LMF 7 gets download. Now go to the theme settings. Choose file. Upload LMF 7. Click on upload spec file. Now click on open website. Can you see the offer here? I help job seeking women. If you can see, type yes. Okay, you will find it in two places. Okay, now you are going to change the color. The exercise is not complete. Okay, you are going to change the color. Okay, come to the core success page. In 3.3, you will find HTML color names documentation. You cannot do this. Okay, always use spec file. Don't use MS Word. You will not know when you will make mistake. Okay, for example, this will be your notepad. If I make changes, it automatically says I did a mistake here, but your notepad will not show. That's why always use this spec editor. Now, and I'm going to change the color in the site config. Where I will get the color? Come to this 3.3 HTML color name. Come to this documentation. These are the colors that you can use. If your website needs to be seen in all devices on this world, please use colors only from here. Okay, and I will change it to dark violet. I copy this color, come here to the spec file, in the site config, in the site primary color, change it to something else. You should not use cornflower blue. I need to see some other color. Okay, dark violet, I changed it, and I come here and I click on save to this. I'll name it as LMF 8. I'll download it and I'll come back here and I click, and I upload this LMF 8 file. Open website. Now can you see dark violet? Type Y. If you can do this, today's exercise is complete. Okay. Type easy if you can do it. Okay. Now, the most important job. Okay. Now, if you click on this, you will not get the lead. Okay. Now, the lead management system is not complete. Okay. How to set up the lead management system, and I'm going to do it. Okay. Here in the 3.5, if you just spend 4 minutes, you can do it, but I'm going to do this live. Go to your WordPress admin. Go to plugins. Here I have no plugins, but you will have list of 10. You have to delete all the plugins. We don't even need a single plugin. A single plugin can slow down your website so much. Okay. So delete all the plugins. We need only one plugin called WooCommerce. That is a free plugin. WooCommerce. Okay. Click on install now. Then click on activate. Now you will see in the left hand side something called product. Click on the product. Click on add new. Even though we are not going to sell anything, we need a product. Okay. I'll type LMF 7 and the regular price is 999 and the sale price is 0. Okay. We will click on publish. This is just a dummy product. Okay. Now you will see an ID here. Okay. Go to all products. In the LMF 7, you will see an ID here. 123. 123. You have to copy this ID. Come to the spec file. Come to the spec file. This is a spec file, right? Yeah. In the site config, you will find something called product ID spelling. Here, 123. 123. Change it. Now click on save to disk. Save to disk. LMF 9. Save. Now come to your lead management system. Where is the lead management system? Theme settings, lead management system. Choose the file, LMF 9, upload file, open website now. Now, if I submit this, you will see, thank you, we received this number. I want someone to go to this website and give your real contact number. Okay. Now, I'll submit this 999. This is a real contact number 433-7705, and I click on make payment now. I got that number. Now I'm going to open the lead management system. Click on refresh. You see, two leads I got. 999. You are getting this. If I click on this button, it will automatically send message in the WhatsApp. Can anyone submit your contact number here? I will send message to you instantly. This is just to know how the lead management system works. Is anyone doing? You submitted, I refresh. You see, I got one from Madurai, and I'm going to send WhatsApp message to his contact number. I don't have WhatsApp in my system, so it will take some time. Okay, I use WhatsApp web. I don't even have to type the message. It will automatically send if I have a WhatsApp installed. Okay. If in this show copy data, it will automatically have. This is the message. I copy this, come here, and I paste it here, and it will just go. He just got this message. Now I did it manually, but if you install WhatsApp in your system, this button automatically sends the message to them. Okay. If you have WhatsApp installed on your system, I don't have it installed, so that's why I did it manually. And that's all for today. We have 20 more minutes. So that's all for today. Today you will do, you will submit this changed color and your offer here. That's all. I'll stop screen sharing. I'll take questions. So now, you need to set up a lead management system. Only then you can get client on the 5th day. Okay, so today's exercise is very important. So you can do it. So the first 5 offers, okay. Whoever sends this screenshot with your offer, first 5, I will review tomorrow live in the first 5 minutes. Okay. First 5 offers, because offer is the starting place to get clients. This is where your client gets attracted. Every product and every service in this world have a great compelling offer. I can write offers for this. I can write offers for this. For everything, you can write an offer. I can write an offer even for an water bottle. Only if you can write an offer, you can write an outcome. Else you cannot write an outcome. Okay, please complete your offer. Update it here. The first 5 offers I get in this format, I'll take it tomorrow and review it live, and I'll help you to make it better. Okay. So that's all for today. Please ask your questions. The text part is overwhelming, and it is very important. Get help from a 12th graduate student can do it. Do this. Share this third day recording with him. He could able to. You as a business person should create compelling offer. You can outsource everything else. Okay, create an offer. If you cannot do this, type and send the offer. But if I get this in this format, I'll give priority to this. Offer can be for no. You missed the whole part. Write one offer for different services. One type of coaching, write one. See, for example, I'll tell you, business owners, coaches, and consultants. Okay, if I separate these three, I have one offer only for business owner. I'll have one offer for only for coaches. The results will triple. I can target only coaches. I can target only small business owners. That's how this works. Tech part is difficult. Please get help from someone else, man. And you have the recording, and you have 24 hours. Okay, you have 24 hours. It's not that difficult. You just need to spend 1 hour. And if you cannot spend the 1 hour, just give it to your son, daughter, someone who will be studying in our college graduates. You can give it, share the recording with them, and they can do it. But you as a business person, write an offer. Today I did it in Notepad and uploaded trial. You already completed it. Is it what you are saying? The courses by 27. I'll just check. I am a Vedic astrologer helping people. He changed something, but this doesn't follow that offer format. But he did it just in Notepad. Congratulations, Prakash. Yeah, it's simple. Yeah, it's simple. When people do it, you will know that it's easy. Any other questions? I'll take questions for the next 10 minutes. First 5 offers I'll review tomorrow live. And tomorrow what we are going to do is, we are going to write an outcome. Jagan KRISH. Tomorrow we are going to write outcome, and if you don't have an offer, you cannot write an outcome. Okay, we are going to write an outcome. We are going to install. We are going to create your app file. Okay, the Android and iOS app files. Please come with a logo if you already have. Yes, I help you to create it using the free tool. This is what we are going to do, and we are going to set up the lead management system on your phone. Okay, in the phone, this lead management system works, and WhatsApp will be already installed in the phone. Just click the button, send a WhatsApp message to your client. The sooner that you contact your client, you see my videos in the WhatsApp. I don't send any of them. I just record it and set it up in the lead management system, and my team sends it. Logo sizes required, it's 512 cross 512, 300 cross 300. And tomorrow we do that live. You don't have to worry about the logo size. I'll help you to do that live tomorrow. Questions? We have 10 more minutes. No written questions. I'll allow you to unmute now. For the next 10 minutes, I'll Shankar, please unmute and speak. What's your question?
Thank you. Thank you.
That is for tomorrow. Okay. YouTube videos, everything is for tomorrow. Final day. Tomorrow outcome, the final day is YouTube. YouTube link is not taking because you need permission to use that YouTube video. You have to copy the embed URL. Okay, not the general URL on the top. You have to click on share and there will be embed URL. That one you have to copy. That one is I'll teach on tomorrow live. Okay. Today let's concentrate only on offer.
Okay, Jagan sir, can I ask you a question now?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, Jagan sir, I just wanted to check with you if you are, basically doing it through your mobile and the WhatsApp is already on the mobile and somebody submits the phone number then on the LMF, will the WhatsApp, because it is already there, will it help in terms of sending the response?
Yes, that's the reason we are using it in mobile. Just try it. Complete today's exercise and try it.
Okay, the other thing I wanted to check with you, these days, we generally have in one mobile 2 WhatsApp, but one is WhatsApp business, the other is WhatsApp normal. So can we
If
have
you really use a good phone, it will ask you every single time which WhatsApp you need to use. Okay, the older phones, some phones are not. This phone itself is not asking. Samsung S series phone, it is asking. Okay, it depends on the Android version you use. Okay, but iPhone definitely it asks every single time.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any more questions, Sankar? You got the answer. If there is no questions, I will. I help developers launch their projects by creating communications. No, this will not work. Target market is not clear. Who is which developer? Is it the construction developer or I'm also a developer? Make it very, very clear. Launch their project. You are in the construction industry, correct? You are in a construction industry. Abhijit.
Can you hear me?
You are logged in 2 devices, sir. Sorry. Please type your question. There is an echo because you logged in from 2 devices. There is a problem. Please type your. This is develop launch their project by creating communications for all media. How many of you understand this offer? At cost-effective rates? No, this is not an offer. This is not following that formula. Keep this formula in left side. Okay. This formula should be on the left side. Write the offer on the right side. Only then it will work. If you just type a sentence, it will not work. Okay, please see. You have to spend 1 hour. Okay. Even after all this experience, if I want to write an offer for me, I will spend 1 hour minimum. So preferably at the early morning. I do it in the early morning because this saves a lot of money in advertising. This really saves. And when you spend money on advertising, you know how clear we need to be in our offer. And I helped one person. He is from my 4th batch. Okay, he was in manufacturing sector. Okay, manufacturing sector. He is used to do plastic mold. Okay. I created an offer for him and that was working really great. He got his client. It's how you create an offer. But I can only make an offer better. I cannot create it from scratch because I don't know you. What is your why? Whom you are targeting? So please follow this formula and write the offer and then I could able to make it better for you. I could not even able to review this offer because that is not following the formula. That is the only reason. Okay. Yeah. Any more questions? Okay. I'll end up the session. We'll meet tomorrow at 7:20. Okay. Can we write anything for BMW? What is BMW? Sorry, I don't understand the question. BMW is just a vehicle name. My vehicle name is LMF. Create something unique for you.
That's what I was saying. So we can say any terminology which we can use in our
anything. Yeah, anything. Some people say, actually, I helped the doctor to create an offer. He was very confused with that technology. I will just say miracle laser technology. Cure cancer using our miracle laser technology. It doesn't have to be real. It has to sound something new in the online world. Okay, actually, you are not going to say that miracle laser technology on and face-to-face. You say something different in face-to-face. Face-to-face works different. Online world, the Facebook advertising works different. That's why that miracle laser technology you have to go with that offer.
Basically, the word should
that vehicle. Word should be unique for you. Conscious consumption. Guided counseling system, GCS.
Perfect.
Lead magnet formula, LMF. See, you don't care what LMF is. You only care what LMF does for your life. Okay, you will definitely remember LMF in your life. So create something. People will remember that. That will become a brand name. If you can create a great, see, there is a brand strategist. They really charge in lakhs. Okay, but right now the motive of doing this is to do Facebook advertising and get people contact. Follow this formula. Simple. Yeah. That should come from your why. Okay. I could refer a book called Ikigai. Ikigai. Okay. Search this in Google image search. Okay. You will find a Venn diagram here. Okay. Can you see this? You have to just stare at this for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. The offer should come from here in the middle. Else it will not work. I am very, very sure. If the offer is coming from, if it's not coming from this green region, it will fail in the marketing. Some place, if it comes from here, you can make more money. If it comes from here, you will be very happy, but you cannot make money. If it comes from passion, just go and stare at this for 30 minutes. My offer comes exactly from this green region. If there is a middle for that green region, it comes from there. So
Where is the image? Where is the image?
Image search, Google image search. I'll share the link. But this is too much for you. Okay, it will take 2-3 hours if you just follow this. But again, have this. Okay. Yeah, we'll meet tomorrow at 7:20. Okay. Please give me a short feedback about this session. I'll keep this call open for the next 1 minute. Yeah.